Do you have bad credit but are still looking to double your credit limit? Well, if so, then you've clicked on the right video. Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Ish. Welcome back to another video on my channel, Just Money. For those of you that are new to my channel, Just Money, I pretty much go over financial related topics such as credit, real estate, loans, etc. So if that's something you're into or want to get familiar with, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But in this video, we're going to be going over a credit card that doubles your limit in 7 months. Even if you have bad credit. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So in today's credit card review, I'll be going over the unsecured Merrick Bank Platinum Visa card. I like this credit card because it's almost a sure way to double your credit limit within 7 months. It allows you to set a goal within those 7 months, and not too many other credit cards do that. Now this card is for all types of credit, even if you currently have collections on your credit report. So I would recommend this card for people that are trying to build or rebuild their credit. And Merrick Bank recently increased their maximum limit to $2,700. It used to be $2,400. The way how this works is they double your line by simply making your payments on time. So if they start you off with a $1,200 credit limit, if you're making your payments on time, then they're gonna bump you all the way up to a $2,400 credit limit. And that's pretty good if you ask me. Now, if you guys do want higher limit credit cards, I have other videos on my channel discussing about higher limit credit cards. I'll link them down in the description below for you guys. Also in the comments, let me know what secured credit cards you guys currently have and what do you like about those cards? Let me know. Okay, now let's talk about the good things about the unsecured Merrick Bank Platinum Visa card. Now this card reports to the 3 major credit bureaus, which helps you build your credit rating. And initial credit starts anywhere from 550 all the way up to 1350. And they do offer to automatically double your credit limit within 7 months. They offer a fast and easy online application process. Although I do need to mention that you do need an invitation in order to apply. And usually you do get the invitation via mail. I'll mention 2 other credit cards you guys can apply for if you did not get an invitation in the mail from these guys. And I'll also show you guys a hack on how to get an invitation in the mail from these guys for this Visa unsecured credit card. So keep watching so you can find out. And also, if you guys are finding this information helpful, if you guys can hit the like button for me real quick, I truly appreciate that. Okay, so where exactly can you use this unsecured Merrick Bank Platinum Visa card? Well, you can use this credit card anywhere Visa is accepted, such as stores or even online shopping. Just pretty much anywhere Visa card is accepted. They also offer free online access to your account 24/7 and free access to your FICO score once your online account page is set up. They have a 24/7 customer service access via phone or online. And you could also withdraw cash from any ATM using your designated PIN, of course. Okay, so now let's talk about the bad part about this card now. It is by invitation only using a reservation number that you did receive in the mail. But that's okay because I'll show you guys a hack later on in this video on how to get an invitation from these guys in the mail. So keep watching, you don't want to miss out. Another bad thing though about this card is annual fees could be anywhere from $0 to $72 a year. Now the fees do vary depending on your credit score, so if you have decent credit, they'll sometimes waive the fee for the first year. But again, like I said, that depends on your credit score. And APR on this card is around 21.70% all the way up to 30.70%. And there is a 4% fee for cash advances at ATMs, similar to most credit cards though. And there is a $12 fee if you do want a second credit card, just in case you might be wanting to add an authorized user. And the fee for a late payment can be all the way up to $40, so just make sure you guys are making your payments on time and you have nothing to worry about. But overall, this is a pretty good credit card if you're looking to build or rebuild your credit. Once your credit goes up, then you can apply for another credit card that has a lower APR. And always try to keep a very low balance on your credit card so that way you can build your credit score faster. Now, if you didn't get an invitation in the mail from these guys, then I'll talk about 2 other secured credit cards that you can apply for without an invitation. Now, the first card is called the Double Your Line Secured Visa Credit Card. Now it does require a deposit of $200, but then your credit limit will double to $400 if you're making your payments on time for the first 7 months. I'll put a link in the description for you guys. And no, this is not a sponsored video or this is not an affiliate link. Now the second card is called the Secured Visa Credit Card by Merrick Bank. Now for this card, you pick the credit line by choosing your initial deposit. Your deposit must be in the range from anywhere from $200 all the way up to $3,000. And please note that you can only choose 1 out of the 2 secured credit cards, so just choose wisely. For this credit card, your account will be reviewed after a year to be able to qualify for a credit line increase. And these credit cards do not graduate to unsecured credit cards, just in case any of you guys are wondering. The good thing though about these 2 credit cards is you don't need an invitation to apply, so you can just apply online like literally right now. Okay, now let me tell you about a hacker tip if you would like to get an invitation in the mail from the Merrick Bank Platinum Unsecured Visa Credit Card. Listen up. What you do is apply for the Merrick Bank Secured Credit Card. If you are approved, 3 to 7 days after you are approved, they'll send you an invitation in the mail for the Merrick Bank Platinum Unsecured Visa credit card in the mail. Your initial credit will be similar to the amount you use as a deposit on your secured credit card. So for example, if you deposit $1,000 to get your secured credit card, the mail offer for your unsecured Platinum Visa card will be the same amount of $1,000 as your first credit card limit that would double in 7 months. So let me break this down just in case you guys don't understand. Your secured credit card that you put $1,000 deposit on, and then you would get your unsecured credit card, the one that came with $1,000 since you already have this card. So $1,000, double your credit limit right there. Now this hack isn't guaranteed for everybody because it is based on your credit worthiness, but it does work. And I hope this helps you guys. If you guys are finding this information helpful, hit the like button for me real quick. Appreciate it. But overall, I think this credit card is a really good credit card if you're trying to build or rebuild your credit. So if that's you, then I kind of would recommend getting this card so that way you can start building or rebuilding your credit. I really hope this information is useful to you guys. Please let me know in the comments if you guys would like for me to review any other credit cards. Just list them down below and I'll go ahead and review them. I do read all comments. And also I'll be making a more in-depth video on the double your limit secured Visa credit card I mentioned earlier. Check it in the description below for the video. And that wraps it up for today's video, guys. If you guys made it to the end of the video, then I truly do appreciate you guys. We are at 2,884 subscribers at the time of this recording, so I truly appreciate all who watch my videos. And I'm also a real estate agent here in Southern California, so if you're looking to buy or sell and have any questions in regards to residential real estate, then I'd be more than happy to help you out. All my information will be in the description below. Please leave a comment. I do read all comments. And also, depending on the time you're watching this video, I will be a licensed mortgage loan originator, so we'll also be funding loans. We'll be funding loans. We'll be funding loans. I post 2 times a week. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.